Manufactured in Germany, the Graule manual and Radial crosscut saws are useful for a range of woodworking applications, but can also be used to cut PVC and aluminium. The precise ball bearing guide of the tool slide gives a smooth and accurate movement of the saw unit, and the unique pivoting saw unit makes this saw ideal for mitre cutting. Bevel and compound cuts are also possible on the N version, which has a vertical tilt. There are 3 models of the Graule crosscut saw: the ZS135, ZS170 and the ZS200, all with various cutting depths, and all are available with the N version. Optional extras include digital readout, hydro check and pneumatic clamping. The ZS170 is the medium-sized saw unit with a 3 kW motor and a 420mm blade, allowing cuts to the depth of 170mm. With the standard model, the mitre horizontal range is from 45 degrees to -30 degrees. With the N version, the vertical range is 90 degrees to -45 degrees. And the ZS200 is the largest heavy-duty model with a 520mm blade, a 5 kW motor and a larger cutting depth of 200mm. The Graule QNF is a cross-grooving machine and is suitable for cutting wood, aluminium and PVC, and it comes in 2 versions, the QNF90 and the QNFWN. The QNF90 is a standard machine for straight 90-degree cross grooves, whereas the QNFW can cut horizontal angles, ranging from 45 degrees to -45 degrees. The WN has the added capability of vertical angles of 90 degrees to -45 degrees left. All models include a 3 kW motor, hand wheel for rise and fall of the cutting depth, and automatic pneumatic clamping, with the optional extra of the hydro check damper for cutting aluminium.